Did you know that the meal you chose last night could be the deciding factor between waking up balanced or battling irritation and odor today?
Welcome to Dr. Mercola's Cellular Wisdom. Stay informed with quick, easy-to-listen summaries of our latest articles, perfect for when you're on the go. No reading required. Subscribe for free at mercola.com for the latest health insights.
Hello, and welcome to Dr. Mercola's Cellular Wisdom. I'm Ethan Foster, and in the next few minutes, we'll unpack how everyday foods quietly rewrite the story of your vaginal health.
I'm Alara Sky, and the link is more direct than most women realize. Research now shows that what you eat doesn't just shape your gut. It also dictates which microbes thrive in your vaginal tract, influencing infection risk, comfort, and even pregnancy outcomes.
A recent Italian study followed 113 healthy, sexually active women in their 20s. By matching food questionnaires with self-collected vaginal samples, scientists mapped how macronutrients sway the ecosystem inside you. The overarching message is simple. Whole foods support protective bacteria, while processed choices invite trouble.
Those troublemakers emerge fastest when protein comes from processed meats and when alcohol is a regular companion. Women in that pattern shifted into a microbial state called CST4, dominated by Gardnerella and Prevotella, species tied to bacterial vaginosis, odor, irritation, and complications during pregnancy.
By contrast, diets rich in vegetables, fiber, and unrefined carbohydrates favored lactobacillus dominance. These friendly strains keep vaginal pH low and hostile microbes at bay. They also generate branched-chain amino acids and antioxidants that bolster local immunity, so balance is reinforced on multiple fronts.
One nutrient stood out: the plant-based omega-3 fat alpha-linolenic acid. Higher ALA intake tracked with healthier microbial profiles, suggesting it feeds beneficial species directly. Yet the study also warns that many ALA-rich foods are packed with linoleic acid, an omega-6 that drives inflammation when seed oils dominate your plate.
That matters because excess linoleic acid from soybean, corn, sunflower, and similar oils disrupts bacterial balance throughout the body, removing those oils and choosing fats like grass-fed butter, ghee, or tallow lowers inflammatory pressure and gives lactobacillus room to flourish.
If you're planning a pregnancy, carbohydrate quality and quantity become mission critical. Women who secured more than 49% of daily calories from nourishing carbs enjoyed a microbiome rich in protective strains, whereas lower carb patterns opened the door to dysbiosis.
The mechanism is remarkably straightforward. Adequate carbs let your vaginal cells store glycogen. Lactobacillus converts that glycogen into lactic acid, dropping pH and blocking pathogens. Without enough glycogen, balance unravels no matter how optimal your hormone levels might be.
Just remember, not all carbs are allies. Skip boxed cereals, cookies, and other refined items that spike blood sugar and feed unwanted microbes. Instead, reach for in-season fruit, white rice, well-cooked potatoes, or sourdough bread. Foods that the article highlights as supportive when your gut is ready.
Beyond macronutrients, two lifestyle shifts earn special mention. First, processed meats like bacon or deli slices foster harmful strains. Replacing them with pasture-raised eggs, grass-fed beef, or wild-caught fish removes that fuel source for Gardnerella. Second, alcohol, even in modest amounts, tilts the microbiome toward dysbiosis. Reducing or eliminating drinks accelerates recovery.
And remember the hidden influence of personal care habits. Douching might promise freshness, yet the U.S. Office on Women's Health explains it often propels infection-causing bacteria deeper, risking pelvic inflammatory disease. Let your balanced microbiome handle cleansing instead.
So, what actionable steps can you take today? Swap seed oils for stable animal fats. Build meals around vegetables and fiber-rich carbs. Limit alcohol, and choose whole proteins over processed meats. Each change gently nudges your vaginal environment toward the lactobacillus landscape that keeps you comfortable.
Still wondering how fast you'll notice a difference? Research shows that microbial shifts can appear within weeks of dietary change. Pay attention to signals like odor, discharge, and overall comfort. Improvements there usually mirror microscopic progress.
If you're pregnant or hoping to be, prioritize those healthy carbs early. Your body converts them to glycogen, your resident lactobacillus transforms glycogen to lactic acid, and that acid shields both you and your future baby from infection.
For listeners facing recurrent bacterial vaginosis, yeast infections, or unexplained irritation, consider keeping a 7-day food log. Highlight alcohol, processed meat, and seed oil usage. Then remove one offender for 14 days and track how you feel. Evidence suggests you'll sense shifts quickly.
Here's your practical challenge. Over the next week, swap every seed oil product in your kitchen for a whole food fat, and trade one processed meat meal for a plate anchored by vegetables and a clean protein. Watch how your body responds, and remember that every bite is a vote for microbes that protect or microbes that provoke. Thank you for watching Dr. Mercola's Cellular Wisdom. We'll see you on the next episode.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.